mansion set about 5 minutes from Granton-on-Spey in the Scottish Highlands. I did attempt an introduction outside with the house in the background, but it's quite windy today and I was worried that you guys wouldn't be able to hear me properly. So here I am sat in the wonderful open plan living space, which I'm going to take you around properly later, but I just wanted to introduce the video and tell you a little bit about the property. The cottage sleeps 8 people in 3 double bedrooms and 1 twin bedroom, and it's set on a working farm, so you're around lots of fields and trees and sheep, which is really, really nice. The views from around the house are amazing, and as you can probably tell from behind me, it's been designed in such a way that there's lots of windows and bright light coming into the building, which just makes it all like fresh and airy, which is always really nice. Everything's done really well, everything's really comfortable, and the attention to detail is perfect. So come and take the tour with me now. So as we come to the door that you're going to come in on, we come to a utility room here. It's always really useful to have a room like this. You can put your boots and your coats in and everything, and just have a chance to wipe your feet before you go through the rest of the house. So as you follow on from the utility room, you come to a lovely large double bedroom on the left. It's got a lovely big cozy bed and the floors are beautiful oak, as you can see here. The owners provide you with linens and towels, which is a really nice touch because it just makes you feel that little bit more at home and welcome. The large windows in the room are fantastic, and you'll notice this throughout the house. Lots and lots of ceiling to floor windows, letting in lots of light. So next door we have a downstairs bathroom which has a big tall standing shower there. And then we'll continue on into the main living space. So you'll be able to see from this living space that it is open plan. So you've got a lovely big kitchen here with island for food prep and a dining table in the centre and a big corner sofa at the end, which is just making use of all those wonderful views. The kitchen is fully set up with everything that you're going to need. So you've got your fridge, freezer, you've got your ovens, worktop, sink, everything there. And it just means that you'll have fun cooking in this kind of spacious space rather than a closed-in room. You've got a really nice big sliding door there which opens out onto the patio area, so you can easily get out from there if you're planning to eat outside and taking lots of food. It's just really nice when you've got all these big windows letting in so much light. This is a really lovely big spacious living area, and the fact that you can open the doors and enjoy that view from there is really nice. There's a nice big television on the wall, perfect for evening entertainment. And yeah, it's just a really, really lovely space. Just off the open plan living area, there's this extra snug, which is just charming. And it's got some lovely traditional furniture there, upholstered in the same tweed. And there you can see a nice wood burning stove. So this would be the place to come to kind of have a little cozy reading corner or something like that. And in this wall here is this really kind of cool inset fireplace, and they've filled that with wood, which I think looks really cool and quirky. There's a visitor's book here, so make sure you read some of the lovely comments while you're here during your stay. It just gives you an idea of what other people have thought of the house and also things that they got up to in the area. So this is always a wee good bit of research. Okay, so let's continue on. Right, so on the ground floor there's also another big double bedroom here, and this one is ensuite, which makes it even better. You'll notice throughout the house the curtains that have been used are really, really pretty. All the textiles and the furnishings are very high quality, and it just adds to the luxury of the whole building. I really, really love the wood floors throughout this house. It's really, really nice. So then there's a little quirky staircase up to the right here. So we'll go up here and see what there is. A bookcase there for those bookworms out there. So up here we have 2 bedrooms. We've got this twin bedroom here. It's always useful to have twin bedrooms as well as double bedrooms because sometimes you're not always going to be in couples, so it's nice to have the option so friends can share a room, or brothers and sisters or siblings, you know, that kind of thing. And here we come to what I would probably call the master double bedroom. So it's a little bit bigger, lots of light coming in through those windows there. So yeah, it's just a little bit bigger and more spacious than the other bedrooms. What I really like about the house is that there's lots of lovely views from each window. So this one like looks out onto the woodland, and then the ones on the other side of the house look onto the farm. Also on this floor we have a shower room. So yeah, just a nice tall shower in there. So guys, that's the tour of Ballinluig Croft done on the inside. Now I'm going to take you out to the garden. That's the tour of Ballinluig Croft done. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed taking you around it. I'm going to link to the property in the description box below, so you can go over to the website and find out everything you want, from facilities to rents, and what's in the local area. Granton-on-Spey is a really special town. It's very old and it's right next to the River Spey, so you can do, you know, kayaking, canoeing, adventuring. There's lots of cycle opportunities, hill walking. You're right in the Cairngorms National Park, so there's so much to do here. You're also close to lots of other different areas. You can go and do a bit of the North Coast 500 if you wanted. There's lots of distilleries close by. There's just lots to do, so make sure you research the area really well before coming to stay here. And if you haven't pressed subscribe yet to our YouTube channel, we'd really love to have you around. So press subscribe and you'll get alerts every time we post one of these videos up. But thanks so much for joining us today. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below, and any questions I'm happy to answer as well. But until next time, bye.